Hey guys, this is Thomas from freeweeksocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to install the latest version of Twitch app. Want to install the latest version of Twitch on your mobile phone? You can easily do it. Just follow these steps and you will learn how to do it. Open up Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iPhone. At the top you will see a search bar. Search for Twitch app. I have the latest version of Twitch, so I only see open button here. However, if there is an update available for your Twitch app, then you will see update button instead of open. If you don't have Twitch app installed on your phone yet, then you will see install button. Just click on update or install and you will get the latest Twitch app version. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you are able to install the latest version of Twitch app. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freeweeksocial.com.